Hello and welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video we will learn about new upload features in Storefront in version 8.0. Here are the key features to upload multiple artwork files. We have improved the overall multiple file upload feature for the front side using the Add More button. Your customer can now upload multiple files as well as multiple jobs for a product. For all the extra pages your customers upload, you can set a mask image for them. For the file uploader extra fields, customers can now upload multiple files using a single file uploader button. This can be implemented via a simple setting. Let's check the features in Admin. Go to Settings, Upload tab. There are two buttons. First is Allow Multiple Job, which is an existing product setting for the provision to allow add multiple jobs, renamed here. Second, we have Allow Multiple File Upload, which is product level setting, allow to upload multiple files in a single job. Enable it and save here. When we go to Storefront, and click on Upload Design, here we can see Add More Files button, which will allow customers to upload multiple files in a single job, with default page name File 1, which can be changed by customer while uploading the file. Also, customer can upload multiple jobs by clicking on Add More Jobs button. Next feature is for the products with mask images. When we go to Mask Image section, Add New. We have given the provision to upload mask images for the extra pages. This mask will be applied to all extra pages uploaded. Another feature is in the additional option. Click on Add New. Here we have given Upload Multiple Files option, which will allow customers to upload multiple files using a single file uploader. When we go to Storefront, click on Select File. There we can upload multiple files at once. In case of any further queries, feel free to contact us via chat or email. Thank you for your time to watch this video. Have a wonderful day.